Okay, it is the blizzard of February the 12th, 2006, and it's still going. The snow is kind of lit up a little bit, but it's still coming down, and the wind's starting to pick up again. And there is my car, right there, half buried in it, in the snow. And this is looking out our second-story apartment window on 10 Oberlin Street, Worcester, Massachusetts. Say something, Elizabeth.
This is the biggest snowstorm we've had in Worcester, Massachusetts.
I guess since we've been here.
Yeah.
Hartford had 2 feet, and it was the biggest blizzard, second biggest blizzard on record in Hartford, Connecticut, which is only about 60 miles down the road. So.
Or it's convenient that it's Sunday because we don't have to drive in it. No!
She looks great in her robe. I don't know what the deal is. Anyway.